Bought a DivX video and got a TIX activation file with your download? This file unlocks the protected video content for playback. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these DivX video download activation files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn TIX files. TIX files are activation files associated with DivX video downloads, providing licensing and authorization data needed to play protected DivX content. They enable the DivX Player or compatible applications to verify purchase rights and unlock playback of DRM-protected DivX video files purchased from authorized DivX content stores. TIX files store DRM authorization tokens and license metadata in a format defined by the DivX Content Protection System. The container includes purchase identifiers, user account references, playback rights parameters, and integrity signatures, enabling DivX playback applications to validate licensed content access during video playback initialization. Official support for TIX is primarily provided through DivX from DivX LLC. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows provides standard playback features, but advanced controls belong to video software. To circumvent the initial application error, right-click the TIX file and choose Open With. Prioritize DivX if available. If absent, choose another application. We are looking for a successful file association. When your TIX file does not open, it is usually a small issue. You're dealing with a stubborn file. Let's test the following common failure points to see where the problem is originating. First, activating in DivX Player. Install DivX Player and double-click the TIX file. The player processes the activation, registering the associated video for playback on your DivX-authorized device. Sign into your DivX account when prompted to associate the activation with your purchase history for cross-device playback rights. Next, verifying DivX account. Ensure the DivX account used to purchase the video is signed in within DivX Player before processing the TIX file. Account mismatches prevent successful activation. Visit DivX.com to manage authorized devices and confirm purchase records match the TIX activation you are attempting to apply. Finally, contacting DivX support. If activation fails, contact DivX customer support with your purchase details and the TIX file. Common issues include expired activation links, exceeded device limits, or account synchronization problems. Support can reissue activation files, reset device authorizations, or troubleshoot account-related playback rights issues. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at FileMagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.